Hello everyone, it's Brian here again. Today we officially conclude our first trading week of this entire AI advice trade portfolio trading experiment. So let's take a look at our current leaderboard of these AI LLMs in terms of their portfolio returns. Now, as of the current one that's leading, we got Claude currently earning around at least a 6% profit return as of right now, and also we can see that its main strategy currently relies more on a diversified portfolio. One trend I really found out is that in most of the days, if two of the stocks on my portfolio for Claude are dipping, the other two are usually rising. And that's like the general trend that has been happening on a day-to-day basis. And even though it does happen, as you can see from the graph over here, that Claude basically has been growing without actually experiencing any loss. I'm not trying to jinx it, but they're not currently experiencing any loss since day one, and that is like a pretty impressive feat considering the very volatile nature of the stock market. As we can see for Gemini, on the other hand, though, it's very, very volatile. I think most of the stocks they picked, Gemini picked, is really focused on the tech trend, which is very volatile as a result of both suspicions on possibility of AI bubbles and also geopolitical risks that may affect their supply chain. So that's probably explaining why it can grow around 3% of return in one day and then drop right back to where they were yesterday. And lastly, we have GPT, which has not been faring well since day one. Currently, it's holding like very long-term blue chip stocks like Apple and Microsoft, which was sold as a result of like 3 consecutive days of losses. It's not really looking good for GPT, but that's basically it for those returns. And I'll be feeding these same screenshots back to these chatbots for the returns in preparations for our Monday trading session next week. And also be sure to subscribe to follow the journey, and also share to the friend if you think that they're currently using AI chatbots to guide their stock advices. And also, by the way, episode 3 of the Care for Career podcast is out on Spotify. Be sure to check that out. And that's all for today.